Okay, it's about 7 years since we last did our last computer build, and it's now 2013. I've gotten a whole bunch of new computer parts for this new system build that we're doing for our home office. Starting from left to right is our Cosmos 2 Ultra Tower case by Cooler Master. It's huge. It's about 50 pounds. I can imagine the heft that I had to do to haul this thing over to the table. Hopefully that'll be enough support on these legs so that way it doesn't come falling down to the floor. Going further, we've got Intel Core i7 3820 LG 2011 CPU, Patriot 16 gigabyte DDR3 Viper, case fan of course, 120 millimeter. Just new is a Cooler Master V8 GTS CPU cooler. It's huge. It's got you know, these LED lights. It makes it actually look like a high-powered muscle car engine. So I figured I'd put that in there. And this case has enough room for it. You need at least a clearance of about 190 millimeters anyways, and this is about 160 millimeters at its top height. Going into the video card, we've got a PNY GeForce GTX 770 graphics card, Asus 12X Blu-ray writer. To power this all up, we've got a Cooler Master Silent Pro Gold 1200 watt power supply. And then just new is an EVGA X79 Dark motherboard, which of course supports socket 2011. We've got a 500 gigabyte Velociraptor hard drive, and a Crucial Member 265 gigabyte solid state drive. Just for kickers, we've got a 7-port lighted USB hub and some various zip ties, thermal paste, grounding wire, and some screwdrivers and ratchet sets to tie this thing down. So hopefully this shouldn't take that much longer to put together. Hopefully it'll be painless. I got a whole weekend scheduled for this, put it together, and hopefully I can do this myself without paying someone to do it. So wish me luck. Thanks a lot.